Suppose if you want to create a cool button in your Windows computer, open your Microsoft Word and try this keyboard shortcut Alt 127378. Okay, I'll show you. So for doing this, first you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you must go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard you can see this is the number lock key, and suppose if the number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. I can see on the left side of my space bar there is an alt key. You must press and hold this alt key. You don't remove your finger from this alt key, and the same time you can type in this section here. You must type 127378. So after typing that, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created a symbol. This symbol have been added here. There is a this cool button, this symbol we can create using this keyboard shortcut method. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.